Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. Recently I reviewed this app right here, Vidnami, and I showed you how to easily create a video with a script, and Vidnami will automatically generate the entire video for you by using royalty-free clips and then add in background music and automatic voice. And here's an example right here, and here is the script. Just have to copy and paste whatever script you want. And then I was searching on Fiverr just to see if any other people are using Vidnami to make money by offering services for YouTube top 10 or top 5 videos. And there's a ton of these videos on YouTube, and I'm sure most of you have seen some of these top 10, top 5 list videos. And here we have a seller offering to make top list videos for $15. And currently he has 6 orders in queue. Great ratings, almost 5 stars. And here is the example of a video. I'll just play it really quick, and you can see the red color background with the text, and look how similar it is. And now let's compare that with this. This is Vidnami, very similar style. And then let's go, and as you can see, it's pretty much the exact same thing. This seller is making good money using a tool like Vidnami, which automatically creates videos just by entering in a script, and it takes literally less than 5 minutes to just copy paste, click a button, and then Vidnami will automatically create a video for you. And this guy's making good money doing it. And as a matter of fact, there's actually quite a few people on Fiverr, very similar services, top 10 videos, list videos, and they're all doing pretty good, or a lot of them are doing pretty good. Good ratings, because these videos are really easy to make and they look fantastic as well, especially if you're using Vidnami. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check it out. And there's also a 14-day free trial that you can use to check out Vidnami if you're into making top list videos or offering services on Fiverr. You can add this service to your video editing or other services on Fiverr relating to videos. So this is a good opportunity, pretty hot right now. And this guy right here, again, making easy money, 6 orders, delivery of 2 days. So he's making maybe 50 to 100 a day, offering a very simple service by using automatic video creation tools like Vidnami. Okay, thanks so much for viewing. I hope this gives you some ideas. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy marketing.